There are so many done for you courses out here and so many done for you programs. Which do you choose? Do you choose this one over here or that one over here? Or do you know how to use them? Okay, first of all, let's get down to the nitty gritty. What is a done for you course? A done for you course is a course that is has products in them and videos in them that they teach you various things. They can teach you about branding, marketing, email marketing, and they may have some done for you templates in there. And it talks about mindset and different things. Now, the idea is you learn from it, and then you can sell that course for 100% profit because they have MRR, which is master resale rights, and also PLR, which is private label rights. So that gives you the authority. Once you buy it, it is yours. So with the PLR, you can make adjustments, you can brand it, you can do different things to make it your own branding. Okay. So that is what it is in a nutshell. It is all the rave. If you're looking at making extra money, if you're looking at leveraging or doing more personal development, you can do that with these courses and programs. Okay, so how do you choose which one? Huh, it's so many because they can range up to $2,000, right? So it's a matter of what you are looking for. What is your goal? Is your goal just to resell them and just make the money and, have a side gig? Or are you going to build a digital business? Or do you need to leverage the digital products for your existing business? Because you can do that as well. So what is your goal? Okay. So, and that would determine which program to get into. Now, I have several programs, which I have a top two that I want to speak to you about. So, drum roll, please. Okay. So, my top two, one is UBC. This is the ultimate branding course. And when I tell you this course has so much to offer, it is amazing. The vibe in the community is awesome. I have learned so much, even just to help me in my existing businesses. Now, I have been a business owner for over 25 years, and I have done several different businesses over that span of years. But this, you can build a digital business with low startup. And this is the easiest business that I've ever experienced in my 25 years of it as an entrepreneur because it's low startup, it's already done for you, and you basically learn from it and then sell them as many times if you want for 100% of the profit. It's not like an affiliate where you get a certain percentage. You get all the moolah. Okay. So it's all about how you market it. So that's one course that I would say the ultimate branding course is really good. So the other one, which is pretty new, however, it is really packed. The price point is a little lower than the UBC course. Whew, this one is DBA, Digital Boss Academy. Listen, if you check all over TikTok and YouTube as well, and other platforms, you will hear the buzz about this program. So, this program, the creators of this program, what they did, they took the other courses and they pretty much extracted the things out and built their own course. And when I tell you, this course is packed. The difference that I see in this course, it has more PLR, like more templates that you can actually use. Whereas the other courses, they're more teaching you, and it has bite-sized pieces of information to teach you about branding, marketing, email marketing, and all of that. Now, with the DBA, it has that, and it has actual done for you templates that you can resell. You can rebrand and resell and the vibe in this community is off the chain. Do people still say that? Y'all know I'm old school. So the vibe in the community is really great. They're both great programs. Um, so just to see the difference, because this is new. Now, the advantage for the DBA is, excuse me, at this point with DBA, they have volume one. They're getting ready to launch volume two. And I got a peek into volume two. And when I tell you it's packed, now volume one has your basic everything almost every program has, but it also has how you can start an Airbnb program. It has how to repair your credit and letters to send into the credit bureaus to help your credit. Also talks about business credit. So that's a few things that I have not seen in the other programs. Okay, so mindset is big. I've seen that in every program, but this program as well has the mindset modules, and I love the modules, and we're going to take a peek at them as well. But the volume two that's coming is really packed with some really, really great modules as well. The advantage, if you go ahead and grab the DBA, Digital Boss Academy, before Tuesday, which is June 19th, when volume two comes, you will automatically get volume two for free. What? Yes, you would get it for free. So my suggestion to you, if this is something that you're looking at, go ahead and grab it. Of course, it's down below in the show notes. You can go ahead and click the link to go ahead and purchase that because you want to get in before volume two drops. Otherwise, then you have to buy volume one and volume two separately. This way, it will save you money. Okay, so listen, you can grab this, and you can do with this course. It's not a course, it's a program. You can do Afterpay for less than $50 and get started with your own digital business. Like, are you kidding me? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. A lot of things that I've been noticing, a lot of people are not using it to the fullest because they're so focused on just selling it, selling it, selling it. No, you want to learn from it because you're building a skill set. You want to learn from it so you can have those skills for your next adventure, for your business, even to market the business, the digital business itself. And another thing to look out, whomever you buy it from, see if they have a mentorship because a lot of people are selling it and they're ghosting their customers. That is so rude to me. Like, what? Don't ghost them because you need support. Every time I start something new, I want to have support where I can just ask a question or two, not feel like I'm bothering people or whatever. Now, some people do have support where you have to buy into their mentorship, okay? And it will have value for you. And there are some people that's offering free mentorship. Now, don't get it twisted. Do people still say that? Don't get it twisted. The companies, well, I would say the businesses and the programs and the courses, they have their own community where they have question and answers weekly. They have mindset calls. They have live question and answer calls as well. But if you're buying it from someone, you want to be able to touch bases with them. That's in my opinion. And that's why I offer free support, a mentorship I have a Facebook group, and it's a free mentorship for a limited time, just enough to get you started, to get you going. If you have questions, to give you that support. So just know that. So once you purchase a digital product from me, it doesn't matter if you just purchase the playbook. I got you. I'm here to help you learn about how to start a digital business, along with teaching you how to sell that playbook and get your investment back. Baby, what? And with all of these courses, you sell the course or the program one time, you get your investment back. That's why I love it. Listen, when I first got into digital marketing, selling these PLR, MRR, and templates and different things, I actually made $2,000 in my first 3 days. No experience, no skills. Listen, I'm not even computer savvy. So you can do it. I did it. You can do it too. So understand that these courses are here and these programs are here for you to level up and for you to build your personal development and then make some money and some good money if you continue to be consistent. Remember, no matter what you do, as long as you're consistent, you will be successful. You learn from these programs, you learn from these courses, you will be successful. Okay, so if you need anything, you just hit me below. I'll put my email there and let me know what you think about the program. If you want to go into the program, hold on. I got you. I got you. I'm going to show you what it looks like in this particular program that I'm talking about because I want you to get it before it goes up. The price goes up. I want you to get it before volume 2 drops because, baby, this is what we want to do. All right, I'm going to share my screen so you can see what we have here because whoo, honey. Okay, so the course is in the app School, Skool. So you can download it to your phone. And another thing, you can actually do this digital business just on your phone. You don't even need a computer. So let's just put that out there. All right, so this program is the Digital Boss Academy, and it has the community as you see here. It has a community. It also has where you can ask questions. It has a section where you can share your wins. So let's see the recent win. First sale down, first of many more. Credit increase. Someone used the credit information. People are ready. They have their first sale, saying stay consistent. Somebody made $700 by 9 a.m. So this is the community and it has a calendar and you can connect with other members. But this is what I really want to show you is the classroom. So this is what's in this program. So in the program, it's going to teach you how to get started. It's going to teach you the storefront, how you want to set it up, whether you want to use snip feed, stand store, beacons, and it has everything that you need in a PDF that if you can just put on your website. So when I tell you this is done for you, baby, this is done for you. Okay, so then it has modules for mindset that teaches you. This is one I really liked, branding, and it really talks about how to brand, and it has really digestible modules, short videos that you can go on, and each one defining your mission, your branding, finding your target audience. See, all of this can be used in a existing business, right? All of this can be used not just in your digital business, but it can be used in your existing business. All right, so it talks about the digital marketing, content. Listen, it has even the content of hooks and different things, and it has videos. It has so much that you don't need anything else. You just need to really commit and learn. It has a content vault with over 40,000 done for you pieces of content already here, where it has the flyers, it has faceless content reels. You can reuse the reels. Done for you is the way to go. You don't have to do all this work. You just put your wording on it, get your vision behind it. The PLR vault, this and what this is these are templates like Canva templates, and it has all types of templates that you can use. They're already made from flyers to planners to simple little courses. All of this is in this. And all you have to do is It'll open up in Canva. So you have to have a Canva account. It can be a free account too. So you open it up in Canva and you can brand it or you can just sell it as is. It's up to you. So it's so much. Even it has UGC in this course, ultimate what is it? UGC, user generated content. That's what it is. UGC, and it'll teach you how you can make videos, and that can be a side gig for you too. And you can contact these companies, products you already use, and you can have another way to make some money. Listen, everything, automations. Whew, it has the Canva editing, teaches you how to edit. It talks about how to grow on TikTok, learn Instagram. 'Cause I'm a Facebook gal. I don't really do Instagram, but I've learned so much in these modules. Talks about budgeting. If you have no clue of how to form your business, create a business, business formation. If you're interested in the beauty biz, credit, personal business, funding. Also, it has affiliate marketing, Airbnb, and it really talks about how to get fit. It has workouts, several like once a week. You can actually do live workouts, Q&A. There's so many bonuses. The email marketing is coming soon, and there's so many other things that's coming soon for this program. This is the Digital Boss Academy. So definitely go ahead and get into that. And the reason why I'm really pushing this one is because volume 2 comes out. I want you to grab volume 2. I want you to go ahead and get in it before volume 2 comes so you can save that money and get in it for free. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You can't beat that. So I hope this helped you. If it has helped you, if I've given you any value, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification. I'll bring you more and I'll give you update to see. And listen, if I'm making enough money to fund my daughter's expensive wedding, that's gonna be my goal. Okay, I'll keep y'all posted. All right, have a